6 quick breakfast ideas to get you out the door fast. Mornings are chaotic, often leading to fast food breakfasts. Instead, try quick, nutritious options to save time and money while rushing out. Protein shakes. A nutritious morning shake with chocolate protein, peanut butter, banana, and ice is ideal. Add espresso for coffee lovers. Premier Protein is popular, while Muscle Milk offers a smoother texture. Blend and enjoy. A breakfast quesadilla provides morning energy with protein-rich tortillas, eggs, black beans, and cheese. Add vegetables for fiber. Salsa or guacamole enhances flavor for a satisfying meal. Breakfast sandwiches are quick, cost-effective, and easy to prepare. Use an English muffin, mashed avocado, egg, sausage patty, and cheese. Customize with spinach and feta or vegetarian patties. Breakfast snack packs are versatile, convenient, and perfect for meal prep. Simply fill storage containers with your favorite ingredients, such as hummus, carrot sticks, boiled eggs, or peanut butter with fruits. Customize them to your liking for easy, ready-to-go mornings. Smoothie bowls are versatile, convenient, and made with simple ingredients. Blend frozen fruits with honey and coconut water, then top with strawberries, blueberries, chia seeds, yogurt, and granola for a quick breakfast. Overnight oats are a popular, healthy, customizable breakfast idea. Combine milk, maple syrup, rolled oats, yogurt, and chia seeds. Let them soak overnight, then add toppings like fruit, nuts, or chocolate. Enhance the base with protein powder or bake for a warm loaf.